So hello guys, welcome back to all of you on our official YouTube channel. Today our video topic is that what is Pinterest and how do creators use it. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start a video and also share this channel with your friends, family member and your relative to get more update tech videos from our YouTube channel, Day to Day Tech. Kindly subscribe that YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Okay, so let's talk about it. I provide you this whole article link in the description. From there you can go to this website and also read that all article if you don't understand in my language. Okay, so let's talk about it. So Pinterest is a social media app used for saving and discovering visual content. But how does Pinterest work? What is the board and how do creators use it? Okay, you're probably heard of Pinterest, want to know what it is, how it's used, and if you can monetize. Sit back, relax and prepare. The word pin a whole lot. So what is Pinterest? Let's talk about it. Move to this topic. Pinterest is primarily an image sharing platform. Although it's hosts videos content, so it's often called a social media site. But we are being real. It is more in common with a search engine like Google. Pinterest is available both app in browser. It's used to share, promote the visual inspiration, being it a home decor, recipe, dye tips, or something else entirely. People will use often Pinterest when they have a rough idea what they do, like buy, but don't have any concert vision. Browsing help them hone in what they want. This is what mistake Pinterest such as a unique platform. Users are actively looking to spend compared with each platform where liking, sharing and commenting is the higher on the agenda. Put simple, Pinterest potential isn't to be understood. A whopping 465 million people use it every month, most of them ready to step on into their next purchase. How does Pinterest work? Let's talk about that. Okay, so Pinterest users are unofficially called pinner and their posts are called pins. Pinner can save pins to their boards, which act as a hub to save, collect and organize different pins based on the theme, projects and ideas. Okay, Pinterest pinner can follow other user and even specific bonds. This help the platform create the main feeding. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so the main feed showing a mixture of followed and similar to content. Usually pin are linked to the website. This is done to show other pinner where the object with the pin come from. It doesn't matter if you post a new workout formula or a vintage style sweater. Pinner wants to know where it come from and how they can get their hand on it. So I hope you all like this video. See you in my next video. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Day to Day Tech.